Hi, Debbie Chu here from Chew on Vegan, and welcome back to my kitchen. If you're new to my channel, let me tell you a little bit about myself. I'm a plant-based RN, I work full-time, and I love to share whole food plant-based recipes with you. I started the Starch solution in January of 2020 and was able to lose 15 pounds. If you'd like more information about the Starch solution, I'll leave a link in the description box below. On my channel, you will find whole food, plant-based, gluten-free recipes that are healthy, quick, and easy. My recipes are low calorie density, which is what we need for losing weight and getting healthy. So if that sounds like something you're interested in, please subscribe. You can also follow me on Instagram and Facebook at Chew on Vegan. And I also started a Facebook group if you feel like you need a little bit more help. And I will leave a link to all of that in the description box below. So last night I made a huge pot of sloppy joes in my Instant Pot, and after I had my sloppy joe last night, I thought, why don't I make this more often? It's really easy, it's delicious. Even my husband, who is a meat eater, freaking loved it. So it's always a hit when I make it. So I'm gonna be making it more, but I wanted to show you two ways that you can serve it. One is the traditional way and one is not so traditional. So let's get started. So we're starting off with our sloppy joe mix, and this is made with green lentils or brown lentils, red lentils. It's got some bell pepper in there, some onion, garlic. I'll leave the recipe in the description box. It's really, really good. And then I have a gluten-free bun here. I usually do it open face because I don't normally eat a lot of bread. It just gets me too full, but for video purposes, I'm gonna show you. So you just put whatever amount you want on the bottom. I love these Bubby's bread and butter pickles. They're so good. I just put a couple of these on my sandwich. I don't know what it is. It's the tang of the pickle against the flavors of the sloppy joe. It is just so, so good. And you know, serve this with a side salad and you have an absolute, delicious sandwich. Now I'm going to show you another way to eat sloppy joes that you might not have thought of. So we saw traditional sloppy joe, delicious. Now untraditional. And who knows, you could have probably already done this, but it's new to me. Baked potato. Take a leftover baked potato or make a new baked potato. And I just kind of fluff it up a little bit. Okay. Then we're going to add our sloppy joes. Yum. And then I'm going to add a little bit of my plant-based cheese sauce. Why not? Okay, stay with me. Then we add some pickles. The Bubby's bread and butter. Oh my God, it's my new obsession. It is so good. So there you go. Traditional, non-traditional. Both are delicious. Both are low calorie density, healthy. Add a side salad with these and you are good to go. This was just a quick video to show you a couple of new ideas for some dinner or lunch meals. So I hope you learned something here today. And if you did, leave me a comment below. And again, please subscribe and follow me on Instagram and Facebook, and check out my Facebook group as well. And remember, it's about consistency, not perfection. Losing weight is a wonderful goal, but really your ultimate goal is to be healthy. It's really what's on the inside, your arteries, all your organs, your brain. That's what you want to be healthy. That's what's going to sustain you through your life, and you'll feel good and have a great quality of life. So eating this way is definitely part of the journey and definitely will get you there. And remember, what you put on your plate determines your fate. Until next time, thank you. So last night I made a big pot of my, what the hell is that called? Okay. So last night I made a big pot of, oh, I love my brain fart. Weight loss is great, but losing weight is great. Didn't mean to rhyme. And remember, what you put on your feet, ooh,